Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Just a quick update. I'm looking like a booty. I literally have my pajamas on, my hair thrown up in a bun because it's just one of those days. But yeah, it's just one of those days. I'm trying to figure out my whole lighting. Yeah, so I'm coming on here with a 1-month keto vegan update. It's been going really well. And I really enjoyed doing this. I started eating vegan like stuff maybe like 2 months before I started like my actual vegan journey. During that month I wasn't really like careful with looking at what contained milk and dairy, eggs and stuff like that. It wasn't until this full month that I actually went through everything and was looking at vegan snacks and no milk, no dairy, no eggs, nothing. So I have been in ketosis for about a month while incorporating the vegan diet, and it's been amazing. I have lost in total let's see, about 10 pounds in a month. Yeah, so about 10 pounds in a month. As of today, I am 184.8 pounds. I haven't lost any weight. I've gained probably like 0.4 pounds, and that's just from my own BS. During like, my period or whatever, I get snackish. But everything has been going well. I really enjoyed doing this for a month. As of yesterday, which was Saturday, I have decided to incorporate meat back into my diet. Fish and chicken maybe once or twice a week just to get that extra protein, but I will be continuing to do the keto as well. I'm only going to be doing this for the next 2.5 weeks. I leave for my trip on the 20th of December, and I know when I'm down there I'm going to be eating like a bunch of stuff. My boyfriend cooks a lot and I like when he cooks food, so I'm going to eat what he cooks, okay? But when I get back for 2019, I will be focusing on being more strict during this whole vegan thing, and I think I'm going to do this maybe like I'm going to call it a meat cleanse. I think I'm going to do it maybe like every month or every other month kind of thing, just so I can get the balance of protein. And if I'm not eating chicken, which I don't go out of my way to eat, I'm going to be eating like fish and stuff. So when I first started, like when I gained all the weight, I was 235 pounds. As of today, I am 184.8 pounds. When I started like my weight loss journey, it was early summer around July, and I was 206 pounds. During this time, I had a trainer for about a month. I had only lost 2 pounds, and that was with the meal plan and the workout regimen. So I decided to I got sick and I just wasn't able to go back. So I decided to take things on my own and kind of just experiment with keto and not eating meat and working out and all of that stuff. And I think what really helped me during this process was sprinting. I got this sprinting routine from Iani Red here on YouTube. I'll link her channel in my description box. Yeah, so I started sprinting and I started doing a lot of weight training. I'll try to include some videos of me working out at the end of this 1-month update. And it's just been going really well. I love the way my body looks. Even though I haven't lost any weight, I want to say for the past 2 weeks now, I've been slimming down and my waist has been becoming like really small. Like I've lost a lot of inches in my bust, my waist, and my hips. I am gonna try and lose these last 4 pounds by the time I leave for my trip, so we'll see if it's possible. I think it's possible. And while I'm down there, I'm gonna try to eat the best that I can, so not all my weight loss is kind of goes in vain or whatever. Based on my last video, I was asked to share some keto or vegan snacks that I've been eating, and I have about 4 of them here. First of all, fruits and vegetables are very important. Obviously, fruits are not a part of keto because of the high sugar intake. Pretty sure there's a grocery list I can tell you what fruits and vegetables that you can and can't eat, if I'm not mistaken, but I incorporated fruit, so I wasn't like 100% eat in ketosis. I would consider maybe more moderate ketosis. The next snack I have are coconut chips, and this is by the brand Hungry Buddha, and I'll put a picture of each of the snacks on the screen because I don't physically have them with me. The next snack is by, yes mom? Yeah, so the next snack is tortilla chips. So if you like Tostitos chips and salsa, this brand is called Que Pasa tortilla chips, and they have the flavor in nacho and ranch. I think spicy, sweet and spicy ranch. It's hella good. And just so you don't overeat, like based on the calories, look at the back, see how much chips or servings is in that calorie count at the back, and then gauge it by doing that. What has really helped me with portion control with snacks is buying Ziploc bags and putting the exact amount in that Ziploc bag and then storing it away. The next snack is the Vega protein bars. So I know I have mentioned that the Vega protein shake is disgusting, which it is. The protein bars are really good. I really like them. I was a fan of them, and I kind of use it as like before the gym snack, or like kind of give me that energy, or if I wanted like a granola bar type thing, I would eat that. And the last snack that I have here is by Energine, and it's a quinoa cracker, and I think it has sea salt rocks on it. My sister-in-law actually introduced me to this. She's doing the paleo diet, and just a very like strict diet kind of thing, and she introduced me to some snacks. And I really like this brand, and I like these crackers as well. They're really good. If you want like a little salty salt, you know, like I like chips and I like crackers, so this was like a really good substitute for me. So the next thing I'll be going into is a smoothie that she also introduced me to. It has wild blueberries, 1 cup of coconut milk, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, gluten-free oats, and chia seeds, and it's supposed to come out like a pudding-like texture, but I made it like a smoothie, and you can make it the night before and have it for the next day. Yeah, you can make it the night before and have it for the next day. When I made it the first time, I didn't have vanilla, so I used nutmeg, and it tastes really, really, really good, and it keeps you full for a really long time because of the oats and the chia seeds. So that's another smoothie that can be used as like a snack, breakfast, midday snack, dinner after the gym kind of thing. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is the meat replacements that I've been using since I haven't been eating chicken or fish or anything like that. And the brand that I really like is called Gardein, and it's meat-free vegan stuff. So my favorite is the barbecue wings, the barbecue chicken wings, and the codfish. Like if you like fish and chips, this kind of looks like that. They have the chicken strips, and they have the falafels, meatballs, ground beef, burgers. Like they have a lot to choose from, and I feel like that's what kind of saved me with this vegan eating, because I felt like I wasn't missing anything eating it, because you could still cook it like how you would cook your regular meat. Okay, so with keto, basically you want to keep your carbs and your sugar really low, especially with eating vegan as well if you're looking for like healthier options. So for seasoning, I stick to pink Himalayan sea salt, and for other seasoning I use Mrs. Dash. Now I've heard that Mrs. Dash isn't 100% a keto friendly seasoning, but I use it anyways. And then there's also another seasoning called Magic seasoning. I think that's what it's called if I'm not mistaken. Again, I will put the picture at the side for you guys to see. And what has also been helping me with slimming down during this process is having lemon water, which I have right now. I put like a few slices of lemon in my water, and I drink this throughout the day, probably like 3 or 4 bottles of this throughout the day. It keeps me regular, and it keeps me going to the washroom a lot, and I feel like this has definitely helped with the bloating in my stomach that I usually get sometimes. And yeah, and I guess another thing that I can share while I'm here is if you guys are feeling for something sweet like soda or juice, there's a sparkling ice drink. It's a sparkling ice drink. The flavor I have is orange mango. It has 0 calories, 0 fat, zero cholesterol, zero carbs, and zero sugar, zero fiber. Like, this is a good thing all around. It has no sugar in it, especially if that's a big thing for keto. So the last thing I want to share with you guys, this is a product that I've been trying for the past week and a half or so now, and you guys heard me talk about Lulu's Holistics on my channel before, or Janet's Closet. I'll put the link in the description box below. I've actually been doing the Parasite Cleanse. So the Parasite Cleanse is good for a lot of things. It's good for constipation, keeping you regular, just overall gut health. It gets rid of like all the parasites and bad things in your body. It's more of like a cleanse, and it also says it helps with, like, I guess, preventing cancer and a whole bunch of other stuff. So with the Parasite Cleanse, you get the herbal capsules, and it comes with 50, and then you also get the Seasonings. So I'm pretty much done my cleanse. You take it 3 times a day. The first one you can take with breakfast, second one you can take with lunch, and the third one you can take with, you have to take with the Seasonings. And the Seasonings you take once a day, and the Seasonings is good for detox and weight loss. Now, I guess this has definitely boosted me losing weight in a sense, but I also feel like it's helped with my bloating and keeping me snatched in my waist. Like, I've lost a lot of inches while using this tea, no word of a lie, probably since I started, 3 to 4 inches using the tea and the capsules. And for the capsules, it recommends that you avoid processed foods, sugar, dairy, meat, fish, and poultry. And it also recommends that you incorporate probiotics and pumpkin seeds as well. I have just started using the Renew Life probiotics for women, and it's the 50 billion. I'll put a picture here. In combination with all of this, it's definitely been keeping me regular, definitely been keeping me going to the washroom, and I just feel good after. I don't feel like uncomfortable in any way. So I definitely think this has helped a lot. If you guys are interested in this tea, I will put the link in the description box below, with the capsules as well. They come together, and I think I paid like $30 Canadian. So you get the tea in like the bag. I'm pretty much almost done mine's. I think I have like 2 or 3 days left. And I kind of like steep my tea bag. Like, I use my tea bag for 2 teas. It comes with a muslin reusable tea bag, so I kind of wash mine after I use it. I leave it to dry, and then I reuse it when I'm ready to go. But this has definitely helped with weight loss for me, especially inches. I feel like I have covered as much as I could for this video. This will be the last update video for my vegan kind of keto thing that I've been going on with until I come back in the new year with another set of, I guess, another keto vegan thing, or maybe just keto. We'll see. But I'm definitely going to continue on this weight loss journey. I'm happy. I can't remember seeing my body this small ever, and I'll do whatever it takes to maintain this lifestyle. I hope you guys join me on this journey, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Sorry, my phone was ringing. So rude.
I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. You'll find another life to live.